Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. I'm coming to you with a haul. It's a collective haul. And I'm hoping that I haven't showed you guys this stuff because I hate doing repeats. But I'm going to do some haul. I'm going to show you this small haul and a project share. So, these are those cases that have been dwindling. They have been very hard for me to find. So I purchased about 6 of these within the last maybe month or so. So I have these, and this is just 3 of them, and I'm going to show you what I've done with the other 3. And no, I'm not altering them. And I've seen you guys haul these cups, what, a year or so ago? And I'm just not seeing them in my Dollar Tree. Well, one of the Dollar Trees that I frequent. So I have one set of those. And something that has nothing to do with crafting are these gluten-free Honey Nut Cheerios. I want to try them because they are gluten-free. So I'm going to try these. That of course is not Dollar Tree. I found these planner stickers at Dollar Tree. And my plan is to make some TNs for Mother's Day and hopefully sell them. And that's my air conditioning unit popping on. And I'm going to actually include an entire pack of these with them. So depending on how many I can create and how many of these I can find, that's what I'm going to do. I got this cute little tote bag, and it's very spacious. And I love the color on this. It's very pretty. So I've got that, and I'm always picking up a tote bag. I picked up these tassels, key rings with the tassel. This a tassel and a purse, just a regular dual color tassel. Here's another tassel, which is gray or silver. Oh, this one actually came from the Target Dollar Spot. So I've had this one for a while. I got this pinky one. Maybe have several of those. 2, 3 of those types of pinky ones. There's another green one. And I'm not sure if this green one came from Dollar Tree or somewhere else, but I do have it with these. Here's another soft pink one. Here's a darker pink one. Here's another gold one. I think that was the second gold one. Here's a lavender one. Is there any more of the tassels? And this one is from Michael's. This is a royal blue. Let's put that over there. I got these little pom-poms. I got 2 from Dollar Tree. There's a second one. And I got this one from Michael's with the glasses. I think he's so cute. I got another one like him on my bag. Oh, here's another purple tassel and little change purse that I'm going to put on the TN. Here's a purple puff. There's a red puff, even though I don't use red like that. There's a red one. I have 2 white ones. The other one is in the bathroom somewhere. Anything else? Oh, I got this poofy heart. Why, I don't know. I just think it's cute. I may be able to fit it in a TN somewhere. And I absolutely do not like this thing right here, but I picked it up just in case. Yeah. I picked up these from Dollar Tree as well with a small tassel and change purse in pink and green. And I had a purple one, but I stuck it on the TN somewhere. And these are some of my favorites right now. I got these flower ones. I got 1 pink, 2 purple, and this 1 blue. I guess it's not mint, but it's a baby blue maybe, I guess. And what else? I think the last couple of things I got is the red line tape, which I'm just not really starting to see that at the Dollar Trees that I frequent. And these composition notebooks right here, these are the hardest things to find. The last time I saw them, I think I picked up the last 15 out of the store, and I just went to another store and they only had these 3. So I'm going to go back in the morning. I asked the manager, you know, when was a good time for me to come by, because I wanted to get a case or 2 of those. And she told me when the stockers would be in. So I'm gonna go when the stockers are there and see if they have at least 2 cases of those, because I would like to make some TNs, you know, throughout the year. And I know right now around Mother's Day, so that, you know, I have the books and I can make some nice ones that I hope people will want to purchase for their mother for Mother's Day. Okay, so that's the end of the haul. I'm just going to share with you a couple of projects that I'm doing. And I don't even know if you would even consider these projects. This is the reason why I bought these latest ones, because I'm trying to learn how to do shakers. And me and shakers don't like each other right now. We don't know each other, so we're not jabbing like that. But the majority of these things are from Dollar Tree. Just some of the regular old sequence. This sequence right here is from Michaels. These butterflies here are from Michaels. These holographic sequence right here are from Michaels brand. And these flowers right here are Michaels. There's some seed bees right here that ain't no telling where they came from, but the majority of the stuff in here is from Michaels. And I'm gonna keep my sequence in there, so when I do learn to do them, I think it'd be a lot easier if I can see everything. I just ordered some from a company called I think it's C Right or C Cartwright or something like that. So I'm waiting on my shipment of sequins from them. I just put all of my paper clips, my shaped paper clips in here, and altered paper clips. I just put those in here for easy access when I'm doing my TNs. And here's this one right here. I bought a bag of embellishments from, yeah, please excuse the noise in the background too. I bought a bag of embellishments from, it was 2 bags actually, from Hobby Lobby when it was on 70% off, and they had these things in there and some tassels, even though I got some of these tassels from Tuesday morning, and these bows right here, some more stuff, like these little knickknacks and things like that. So that's why I put that in there, and well, that's why I wanted to get some more of these. And I do have some more in my stash that I have. What's in them? Washi tape. Yeah, washi tape. Okay, and this is my one of my latest ones. It's not done yet. Let me move this out the way. This is Blue Blooms. Excuse me. And I'm working on this one. I have the white cord here. But I have the black cord on the inside, and I haven't finished it yet. And right now I'm just doing the single-sided paper, because that Scotch laminator to me does not laminate the double-sided paper. Well, not double-sided paper, but the 2 pieces of paper. It doesn't laminate that well, and I'm still looking for my serious laminator that I need to go and get out of storage. Lord have mercy. Hold on. Okay, I had to quiet the grands. I don't know why they just insist on yelling at each other. Anyway, this is the folder that I created for this one. And it has 3 signatures. First signature here, a folder. Second signature, third signature, and they're all lined. So I haven't done anything else with this book yet, so I will be finishing this up hopefully this week. And this one I've done a little bit more to, but not much more. I put a tassel on here, and I know you're saying, Tasha, there's no purple in that paper, but I just thought it was the cutest thing, those orange and green and purple together. So that's why I left the purple there. I got the white elastic here, the white jump band. And opening it up, I put the Target dollar spot type pocket here, and these are those composition notebooks, and this is the one Mead one, but I am going to cover these. And there's another Target dollar spot composition one, and there's the other Target dollar spot type, no, Dollar Tree composition notebooks, and the Target dollar spot type of pocket right here. So of course this is nowhere near being complete, but it should get one of these. Both of them should have one of these. Oh my God, one of these planner sticker packs. How about that? Okay, guys, I think that's it. All right, I think that is it. If I come up with anything, I'll just attach it. But guys, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And by the way, I still have not seen the little trinket boxes that look like the macaroons. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, love bugs.